In this lecture, we're going to be creating our first endpoint, the Hello World endpoint. For those that aren't familiar, the Hello World program returns the phrase hello, world to the user. So for this endpoint, its response will simply be a string with the phrase hello world. By far the best way to learn is to write and then run the code yourself, so make sure you follow what I do on the screen and mimic the API throughout the whole course. Of course, you don't have to copy my code word for word. In fact, deviating and trying different techniques is encouraged to improve understanding. Let's start creating the endpoint. As we discussed in the previous lecture, the first line should be a comment summarizing our endpoint's functionality. Remember to include the Plumber style comment #* so that Plumber understands that it's a Plumber annotation and not just a standard R comment which it's then going to ignore. We'll say #* return the classic hello world statement. Next up is to define each parameter. But for this specific endpoint, there are no parameters, so we don't add any param annotations. Finally, we have the method type and then the name of the endpoint. The endpoint is retrieving information, so we'll make it a GET request. And we'll name it /hello-world. If our endpoint name consists of multiple words, the hyphen character is used most commonly in API endpoints to separate them. Now we can define our function. So function empty signature, since we don't have any parameters, and we'll simply return the string hello, world. Again, putting the return keyword here is optional, so instead I'll remove it. And we're done. Well, that was simple. In the next lecture, we'll test our new endpoint by making a request to it from the terminal. Well done on the progress so far.